Everyone, we are starting differentiation. These are the formulas from 1 to 11. There are many more formulas, but that वो class 12 में काम आएगा. अभी हम सीधे उसको नहीं दे रहे वो सारे formulas. Now, first of all, I'll explain you how to use this formula. These are the properties. There are 4 properties. Now, let us see how to use the formula and the properties. So, everyone note down. I'm not explaining you right now the use of, sorry, what is differentiation? Differentiation का मतलब मैं अभी नहीं बता रहा. Just direct sums करो. Because in class 12 you have the entire class 12 is calculus only. So अभी मैं फिलहाल I'll just explain you how to differentiate. Okay. So what we are going to do today is how to differentiate. मतलब differentiation कैसे किया जाता है is our main objective of today's class. How to differentiate. Okay. Now see. Now first of all, let us see the first formula. That is d dx of x to the power n. We don't write d by dx, we write d dx. We can directly say d dx of x to the power n. And what is d dx of x to the power n? Means we are differentiating x to the power n with respect to x. I repeat, we are differentiating x to the power n with respect to which variable? With respect to variable x. And so d dx of x to the power n is n into x to the power n minus 1. Now let us take few examples and see the use of this formula. Suppose we have d dx of x to the power 5. d dx of x to the power 5. Now what is here at the place of n? n की जगह पे क्या है यहाँ पे 5 है. और अगर हम इसको डिफरेंशिएट करें तो इसका जो रिजल्ट है, इसका रिजल्ट क्या होगा? इट इज 5 into x to the power n minus 1, that is 5 minus 1. So the answer is 5 into x to the power 4. This is the answer. Okay. So what is differentiation of x to the power 5 with respect to x? It is 5x to the power 4. This is the result. Next. Now what is d dx of x to the power 10? If you use this formula, d dx of x to the power 10 is 10 into x to the power 10 minus 1, which is 9. All right, everyone? So tell me, what is d dx of x to the power half? Yes, tell me. See, n can be anything. N can be any real value. So बताओ तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? Yes. Yes, tell me. half into yes, half into x to the power half minus 1, and half minus 1 is how much? It is minus half. Is this clear, everyone? So we are applying this formula, and d dx of x to the power half is this much. If we reduce this, अगर मैं इसको simplify करूं तो क्या आएगा? देखना है. यहाँ तक भी हम छोड़ सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. इसको और simplify करें, x to the power minus half जब denominator में आएगा, x to the power plus half हो जाएगा. होगा? देखो एक बार. और x to the power half को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? root x. So now we are going to use this as a formula that d dx of root x to the power half means root x. We are going to use this as a formula only. d dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. You have seen the derivation. देखो कैसे हुआ ये एक formula नहीं है, but इसको as a formula हम लोग use करेंगे. Okay, so you can write down in number 12, d dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. You can show this here, and in the formula you can directly write down d dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Okay, next. Now suppose you have d dx of 5x to the power 6. Let's take this. If you have just x to the power 6, that is okay. x to the power 5 है तो आंसर 5x to the power 4 हो जाएगा. x to the power 10 है तो 10x to the power 9 हो जाएगा. ठीक है. लेकिन suppose d dx of 5x to the power 6 है. ठीक है. Now there is a property, just note down, that if you have any constant, listen here, any constant multiplied with a function, कोई constant अगर वेरिएबल के साथ प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म में है तो उस constant को पहले बाहर रखना और फंक्शन को डिफरेंशिएट कर देना. रिपीट, constant को बाहर रखना और फंक्शन को डिफरेंशिएट कर देना. तो according to this property, I can keep 5 outside and differentiate x to the power 6. Clear? So what I am doing, I am using the property. Property is guiding us how to apply the formula, how to use the formula. So in order to use the formula, दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज गाइडिंग दैट अगर कांस्टेंट और वेरिएबल का प्रोडक्ट है तो कांस्टेंट को पहले बाहर रखो और वेरिएबल को डिफरेंशिएट करो। कांस्टेंट को मैंने बाहर रखा और वेरिएबल को डिफरेंशिएट किया। नाउ व्हाट इज ddx ऑफ x to the power 6? It is 6x to the power 6 minus 1, which is 5. So the answer is 30x to the power 5. All right, everyone? Yes? So everyone tell me, what is ddx of 3x to the power 1 by 3? Tell me. Tell me the answer. Yes, tell me. बोलो. 3 into 1 by 3 के बाद? Yes, because see, 3 is a constant, this is a variable. Keep constant outside. Differentiate the variable part, where ddx of x to the power n is n, that is 1 by 3 x to the power n minus 1. 3 gets cancelled. 1 by 3 minus 1 is minus 2 by 3. Everyone copy down the examples which I have given. Copy this formula on the top and then you give under that these examples. You can copy this. I mean, इसके बगल में ये लिखो और ये लिखो, उसके नीचे ये सारे examples लिखो. समझ में? ये and then all these examples, so that it will be clear how we are using the property and the formula. Copy it first. Everyone is completed? Let's see. Next. Now we'll use one more property, and that is ddx of fx plus minus gx is equal to ddx of fx plus minus ddx of gx. So we'll be using this property also. Just ध्यान देना एक बार. Suppose you have ddx of 3x to the power 4 minus 7x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 65. Okay. Now how to differentiate this expression? ध्यान देना एक बार. In order to differentiate this expression, see what we can do, we can separate the terms. Okay, मतलब हम लोग ddx of first term कर सकते हैं plus minus ddx of second term. Not only two terms. अगर बहुत सारे terms है तो हम सारे terms को अलग अलग करके differentiate कर सकते हैं. So I can write this as ddx of first term, that is 3x to the power 4 minus ddx of 7x cube plus ddx of 3x square plus ddx of 5x plus ddx of 6. Is this clear? ऐसे करके हम लोग separate कर देंगे by using this property. Now you know property number 1, that constant into variable. If you have constant into variable product, you keep that constant outside and differentiate the variable part. Keep constant outside, differentiate the variable part. keep constant outside, differentiate x square, 5 बाहर ddx of x. But if you are just constant, check once formula number 5 or yeah 1 2 3 या 5 नंबर होंगे. देखो तो ddx of constant मैंने दिया फॉर्मूला में कहीं, ये वाला फॉर्मूला चेक करो तो क्या है बताओ तो इसका आंसर ddx of constant 0. तो अगर खाली कांस्टेंट होगा तो उसका डिफरेंशिएशन 0 हो जाएगा. ओके, ddx of x to the power 4 is 4 into x to the power 3. All right, how you know which formula we are applying? ddx of x to the power n का formula, which is n x to the power n minus 1. n x to the power n minus 1, that is 2. ddx of x square is 2x to the power 2 minus 1. Now one thing you note down, ddx of x is 1. How? Because इसके पावर पे कुछ नहीं है मतलब 1. 1x to the power 1 minus 1. Anything to the power 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So ddx of x is 1. So we have 12x cube minus 21x square plus 6x plus 5. This is the answer. Okay everyone? Copy down this example once. And you can copy this also. अब जहाँ जहाँ ddx of x होगा direct 1 लिख देना. Now, see everyone, question number 1. You are given y equals to 3x to the power 4 minus 7x to the power 5 plus 8e to the power x plus 6 sin x plus 6. Suppose this is the question. और question में लिखा हुआ है differentiate, ये लिखा रह सकता है find dy by dx. So dy by dx differentiate or f dash x. Listen here everyone. If you are asked f dash x, find f dash x और find dy by dx, दोनों का मतलब एक ही है. f dash x का मतलब और dy by dx का मतलब एक ही होता है. Now how to do that? First of all you have to write down differentiating y with respect to wrt का मतलब with respect to what? X. We get ddx of y means हम लोग को y को differentiate करना है with respect to variable x because dy by dx निकलना मतलब normal differentiate करना है in short. Now y, listen here, y is an expression having how many terms? Y is an expression having how many terms? 1 2 3 4 5. How to differentiate an expression when you have two or more than two terms? Can you repeat everyone? How to differentiate? Can you answer me? How to differentiate an expression having two or more than two terms? We can separate, we can split, we can differentiate each terms separately. Can I do so? Can I differentiate the first term, that is ddx of 3x to the power 4 minus ddx of second term, that is 7x to the power 5 plus ddx of third term, that is 8e to the power x, plus ddx of fourth term, that is 6 sine x, plus ddx of fifth term, that is 6. ddx of y is written as dy by dx. The meaning of this you will understand later on when you go in class 12. अभी मैं उसका मतलब समझा ही नहीं रहा. ओके अभी फिलहाल बस ऐसे लिख दो ddx of y dy by dx. ddx of y is dy by dx. That's all. 3 is a constant. Keep it outside. Let us differentiate x to the power 4. 7 is a constant. Keep it outside. If you just have constant, its derivative is 0. What is ddx of x to the power 4? In this we are applying first formula, which is n x to the power n minus 1. First formula, n x to the power n minus 1. Third formula, ddx of e to the power x. Check third formula. What is ddx of e to the power x? Repeat. Yes, e to the power x. What is ddx of sine x? Check karo. Cos x. This is the answer. Okay. So your answer is dy by dx equals to 12x cubed, 35x to the power 4, 8e to the power x plus 6 cos x. This is the answer. Everyone copy down, and I'm giving you next sum. You will try to complete it. Everyone try both these sums. Number 2 and number 3. Two questions. Correct. Copy down this and then try to do 2 and 3. Have you done number 2 and 3, everyone? Yes, tell me. Yeah, ask. Formula number 2. See formula number 2, ddx of a to the power x. What does a denotes? A represents constant. Constant to the power x is क्या होगा देखो, constant to the power x into log of constant. चेक करो, फॉर्मूला दिया है. Say everyone, I am explaining you number 2. We have 6 into x to the power 2 by 3 plus 5 into 3 to the power x plus 6. This is the question. So write down first differentiating y with respect to x. If you differentiate y with respect to x, you have ddx of y. Y is an expression having 3 terms. तो सबको अलग अलग कर दो और मैं ये भी साथ में कर दे रहा हूँ, कांस्टेंट को बाहर. This is not a constant. 3 to the power x is not a constant. Please note down. ddx of y is dy by dx. इसका हो जाएगा n, that is 2 by 3 x to the power n minus 1. ddx of a to the power x is a to the power x into log a. ddx of constant is 0. You and this e is optional. Okay, तुम e दो या मत दो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. तुम नहीं देगा फिर भी उसका मतलब e ही रहेगा. So we have 4x to the power minus 1 by 3. This is the answer. Copy it up. And try the next one, number 3. 3 may be same as say 6 into 2 to the power x. मैं आंसर लिख देता हूँ, जस्ट चेक कर लो एक. 3 sec square x plus 6 cos x plus 6 2 to the power x into log 2. Okay. Next. Question number 4 now. क्या डाउट है बताओ 3 में. Tell me. I'll help you. अच्छा ठीक है. Now next, question number 4. Suppose you have, let's take cube root x plus x का whole cube divided by x square. Suppose this is the question. Okay, let's see how to differentiate this. Now, first of all, what I'll be doing is I'll be applying a plus b whole cube formula, and I'll try to express by applying laws of indices. By using laws of indices, I will write the terms in the form x to the power n. So everyone note down how I am doing this. For सबसे पहले यहाँ पे a plus b whole cube का फॉर्मूला लगाओ, लेकिन उससे पहले मैं क्या करूँगा, क्यूब रूट x को x to the power 1 by 3 लिख दिया मैंने. ठीक है, मैंने क्यूब रूट ऑफ x को x to the power 1 by 3 लिख दिया. Let us apply a plus b whole cube formula, which is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square into b, 3a square into b plus 3a into b square. Power gets multiplied, so this becomes x plus x cube plus 1 by 3 into 2 becomes how much? X to the power 2 by 3 into x. X to the power 2 by 3 into x. When base is same, power gets added. If you simplify this term, you get 3 into x to the power 5 by 3. Alright everyone? Again, when base is same, if you add the power, x to the power 1 by 3 plus 2 will be how much? X to the power 7 by 3. Alright, everyone till here, just check once. I have applied a plus b whole cube formula. This is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square into b plus 3ab square. Power gets multiplied, so 1 by 3 into 3 is 1. 1 by 3 into 2 is 2 by 3 into x. Base same power gets added. Base same power gets added. Now let us split the terms with the denominator. That is x to the power 1 by x to the power 2, x to the power 3 by x square, x to the power 5 by 3 by x square, x to the power 7 by 3 by x square. You know that laws of indices states that if you have x to the power m by x to the power n form, you can write this as x to the power m minus n. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. 5 by 3 minus 2 is minus 1 by 3. And 7 by 3 minus 2 is how much? 1 by 3. Now, will you be able to differentiate this? You have to write down differentiating y with respect to x and differentiate the terms. Clear everyone? Is this clear? Copy it fast. Copy करो और इसको differentiate करो. अभी हम लोगों ने differentiation नहीं किए. अभी बाकी है differentiating y with respect to x and differentiate this. Hurry, complete fast. इसका आंसर आएगा 0 0 तो नहीं आएगा. इसका डिफरेंशिएशन हो जाएगा माइनस एक्स टू द पावर -2 प्लस 1 माइनस एक्स टू द पावर -4/3 प्लस एक्स टू द पावर -2/3. दिस इज द आंसर. डोंट हैव टू सिंप्लीफाई, इतना काफी है. यू नॉट गेट 0. ठीक है एवरीवन, जिसका भी नहीं मैच करेगा बोलना है. यस हाँ हाँ, अगर हम इसको ऐसे लिख दें, ऐसे लिख दें, ऐसे लिख दें और ऐसे लिख दें, ये भी सही है. और यहाँ तक छोड़े तो भी सही है. ओके everyone, differentiate this. Find dy by dx. Constant. 5 is a constant, a is a constant, b is a constant. So 5ab is a constant. Okay, and then the differentiation is this is the answer. नहीं, ई का वैल्यू 2 और 3 के बीच में लाइक करते हैं। तो अगर कुछ नहीं है ई, अगर यहाँ पे बेस में कुछ मेंशन नहीं है, इसका मतलब वो अज्यूम ई किया जाएगा, दैट इज अज्यूम टू बी ई ओनली। ओके, यस, है तो log x बेस ई है, तो log x बेस ई चेक करो। अभी मैंने बोला ना कि log का बेस कुछ नहीं मतलब ई होता है, तो log x बेस ई का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होगा? 1। Now, almost exercise, the first exercise is over. If you just check the sums, you'll find that you'll be able to do all the sums of first exercise except last का 4 sum. Okay? तो मैं एक और 1-2 sum कराता हूँ and then we'll start UV rule, product rule and UV rule. बस इतना ही है। हो गया कॉपी? You need one more class and out. That's all. इतना ही हो जाएगा complete. Now see, suppose you have fx equal to x square minus 3x plus 4. मान लो लिखा हुआ है find f dash 1. Now what is the meaning of f dash 1? First of all, what is the meaning of f dash? F dash means dy by dx. So first of all find dy by dx. तो हम लोग ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, y equal to x square minus 3x plus 4 भी लिख सकते हैं, एक ही बात है, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता इससे। fx की जगह y लिखो या fx लिख के करो, कोई फर्क नहीं, उससे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। ddx of y is dy by dx. What is ddx of x square? It is 2x. ddx of x, I said it's 1. Constant का derivative 0. So you got f dy by dx. You say dy by dx or f dash x. I said you the same thing. But actually, what you are asked to do? You are asked to find out f dash 1. What is the meaning of f dash 1? F dash 1 का मतलब होता है after finding dy by dx, at the place of x, put 0. Sorry, put 1. At the place of x, put 1. So you get 2 1 ja 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. So minus 1 is the answer. Have you understood everyone? What is the meaning of this? इसका मतलब और इसका मतलब सेम होता है. F dash, if you write this way or if you write this way, both represents the same thing. Okay? एक बार कॉपी करो. सो फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज में मैं लास्ट का एक बार पहले तुम लोग को सम नंबर 19 में बताएंगे, ठीक है? 19 बताने से हो जाएगा। डोंट डू नंबर 20 एंड 21 राइट नाउ, 20 एंड 21 नहीं करना है। तो तुम्हारा एक्सरसाइज 19 बी से होमवर्क क्या रहेगा? 14 15 छोड़ के अभी लिख लो एक बार 14, 15, 20, 21 4 सम्स, बाकी सारा सम्स होमवर्क करना है। तो मैं अभी नंबर 19 बताया था। फोर्टीन, 15, 20, 21 वो अभी नहीं हो पाएगा, होगा बट वो बाद में समझ में आएगा, अभी नहीं। नंबर 19 एक बार देख लो। So we have y equals to root x plus 1 by root x, and we have to show that, we have to prove that 2x dy by dx plus y equals to 2 root x, ये हम लोग को शो करना। तो सबसे पहला चीज ये शो करने के लिए हम लोग को dy by dx की जरूरत है। So let us find out dy by dx first. In order to find dy by dx, I can write root x as x to the power half, 1 by root x as x to the power minus half. All right everyone, check कर लो। रूट हटेगा तो इसके पावर पे हाफ आ जाएगा, और 1 by x to the power half को x to the power हम लोग minus half ले सकते। Let us differentiate. So ddx of y is dy by dx. क्या 1 by x स्क्वायर को x to the power minus half minus 2 ने लिखेंगे हम लोग, तो लॉ है ना इंडिसेस का। हाँ तो रूट एक्स है तो यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में x to the power हाफ होगा, ये जब न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा तो क्या होगा, x to the power minus half। I am not get 1 by x to the power हाफ है ना, ये बेस सेम थोड़ी ना कि हम लोग समझेंगे ना। 1 by x to the power हाफ है, हम लोग 1 माइनस कैसे लिखेंगे, तो यू आर सेइंग दिस वे, ये नहीं होगा तो ऐसे। Now let us differentiate. So the result is half x to the power half minus 1 minus half x to the power minus half minus 1. So what is dy by dx? Half x to the power minus half, plus minus is minus, minus half minus 1 is minus 3 by 2. Let us take proof part now. Proof का हम लोग लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ले लेते हैं। लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज 2x dy by dx प्लस y। अब यहाँ पे y की जगह पे ये जो सॉरी dy by dx की जगह पे ये वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे, दैट इज 1 by 2 x to the power minus half minus 1 by 2 x to the power minus 3 by 2 plus what is the value of y? The value of y is x to the power half plus x to the power minus half. All right everyone, check कर लीजिए। पहले क्या किया, प्रूफ पार्ट का लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ले लिया, यहाँ पे dy by dx का वैल्यू पुट कर दिया और y का वैल्यू पुट कर दिया, ये और ये एक ही चीज है। Let us multiply this with both the terms. Plus minus is minus, two gets cancelled, x to the power 1 into x to the power minus half. When base is same, power gets added, so 1 minus half आ जाएगा यहाँ पे, 2 कैंसिल हो गया, पावर में 1 है तो 1 minus 3 by 2 आ जाएगा। One minus half is half. 1 minus 3 by 2 is minus half. So this and this gets cancelled. Check once. बचा x to the power half plus x to the power half, which is 2x to the power half which can also be written as 2 root x. This is what we have on the right hand side. So this sum is very, very important. Please make sure that 18 and 19 both the questions are very, very important for exam. Okay? ये मैंने समझा दिया. 19 एकदम से और ज़्यादा easy है. तुम लोग ये खुद घर पे करना. 19, 18. Okay? Copy करो. मैं आज ना 19C नहीं करा रहा हूँ. अच्छा 19A कराएगा ना तुम लोग स्कूल में, बताओ तो.